to once more thank our ECD teachers for standing with us and remaining on duty under difficult circumstances for the sake of our children. I also thank the County Public Service Board for working within speed in implementing the transition of ECD teachers from contract to permanent and pensionable terms. Chairman, with your team, I want to thank you. But allow me to just break down how this exercise was carried out. We had 1,260 applicants. All people applied for this job. 783 were shortlisted out of the 1,260. 158, they are the people to be considered, or they are the teachers to be considered for contract, and they will be given enhanced terms as soon as possible, Chairman. 15, this is a case, all they are candidates for ESCC. These are candidates who should face ESCC, because majority of these people, they are those people who cannot, hawaoni, hawasikii, hawataki kufuata sheria. Wengi wako na makaratasi ya uongo. Hawa 15 tumesema wote, and their files have been forwarded, I'm happy, to the ESCC offices. Kama wamekula mshahara ya uongo, lazima watatapika. Kwa sababu, what kind of a society are we going to lead when every person wants to lie, even to the smallest unit ya kudevelop our children? Mtu hajaenda shule ya ECD, mtu hakumaliza form 4 lakini ni mwalimu. How? Therefore, for the 15, you'll have your day with those agencies. Mkae huko, mwambiwe mrudishe pesa. Hiyo ukora, unajua wao ndio wanapiganga tena kelele nyingi sana. Because hata akili haiwezi fanya nini? Sikia ile maneno mazuri naongelewa. Kwa hivyo kama huko kwa hiyo team, hata nasikia wengine they were trying to lie, falsifying document with the help of our officers. One of the officers hapo kwa hiyo office. Na nimesema, Chairman, huyo mtu lazima aadhibiwe mara moja. Huyo alikuwa na falsify document kwa hiyo office. But